In a minute.
Hey, Doug. Doug. Hey, Doug. Come over here and play. Nyla, come here. Come here. Come over here. Guinness, come over here.
Like, we're not going on this time.
Yeah, exactly. We're gonna play in the shade. You guys can play. Just don't play all over Anna.
Get him. Get him.
But it's not food.
Hey, Sergio, I had a thought. The triathlon, you're going to have to get acclimated to cold water.
And learn how to swim?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't like cold water, do you? Because what you do is you run off the beach into the water, and then you swim a mile out to a buoy, and then you turn around and come back. And it's cold. Like, I wore a wetsuit, but it was cold. My feet were freezing. We have to start training.
What's this for?
No, they do things like, all right.
No way.
You're dancing.
Don't want to be
No way.
You're so funny.
Oh, you're playing so nice, little dog.
I know I'm going to.
You can tell that Nyla's holding back, like trying not to hurt her.
Oh, yeah.
She's like, I don't know what to do with you. You're so little.
You know what? She plays with bigger dogs that do the same with her, so she learned well. Because they could kick her butt, too. But it's all about the play.
Oh,
Like, no. No pictures. No pictures.
No pictures. They stop playing as soon as you brought up the camera. They stop looking at the camera like, what are you doing? Oh no!
Uh-oh. I'm moving over here. Alright, so who's jumping?
Muhammad.
Muhammad. Get the seal, buddy. Get the seal, it's fun.
Don't do the seal.
You're not gonna feel the hit.
Huh? Ready? What was the hardest part?
The water.
Fly out, Muhammad.
The water. No, because you jump and then you're like, it doesn't feel nothing. Like it's just like, it's soft. And so, yeah, it's soft. Just the water, you're like, fuck.
Boys have a problem balancing. I don't want to go. I don't know that.
Well, we're just uneven. You know?
Yeah,
They just smashed the jewels.
I've never seen a guy be able to stay on that.
Hey.
Alright, fly out, Muhammad. As far as you can. Where's that?
Just jump in the air and open your leg. I'm going to die.
That's good advice, Muhammad.
Where it comes.
Are you jumping?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's doing it.
Camera's ready.
You get more points for the cowboy thing. If you put it down, I can just mount them.
Do this one for your
No,
girlfriend.
don't do that. No? Fly out.
We're not recording.
Fly out our sound only. Oh, they did it already. Well, do that then.
Do it like a... Yeah.
Right.
Do like a backflip and land on his head.
Yeah.
What if I throw it and
No backflip. No.
Muhammad, like motocross, put the seal out and then, there you go. Jump on it in the air.
Sergio, you're next.
Oh no, I'm good.
I'm not doing
I take no responsibility.
We're just professional advisors. Yeah.
No. What? I'm like being moved. Oh, that's not.
Okay, guys. Okay. Puppies. Puppies.